Hi, my name is Jenna Nelson and I'm an application specialist here at Blue Marble Geographics. Today, I'll be showing you how to use vector features to modify stream flow and accumulation in Global Mapper's Watershed tool. Global Mapper's Generate Watershed tool can generate drainage networks and stream paths for terrain grids. But did you know you can use vector features to modify that stream flow? I'll show you how to quickly use some lines and areas to act as culverts and obstructions in a drainage network analysis. Let's get started. In my workspace, I have a terrain model, building polygons with a height attribute, which you'll see here. And I also have an example previously run watershed analysis. So this previous analysis did not take into account the building polygons. If I zoom in here, you'll see that the stream flow is going right through the polygons, which is probably not accurate. We also see over here on the road pooling of water and water flowing along the road, which again is probably not accurate for this model because ideally we'd like to take into account these culverts that are running under the road. It's actually very easy to add these features to the analysis. To create culvert features that can be used in the watershed analysis, you will need 3D line features that the flow path can follow. This could be as easy as drawing lines where culverts exist and applying elevation from the underlying terrain. If I select the line that I've drawn with the digitizer, I can then find the option in the right-click menu underneath Analysis and Measurement, apply elevation to selected features. So that will apply the elevation from the terrain and then create or apply those elevations to the vertices of the line so that it's now a 3D line that will cut through the elevation grid. If by chance you need to actually edit your terrain grid and change elevations to certain areas of the grid, then you would want to do that with our terrain painting tool. You can also use terrain painting within the Path Profile tool. The Slope Along Line tool is very useful for modeling ditches to improve drainage. Anyway, back to the stream flow analysis. After ensuring that your culvert vertices have elevation that will allow the flow to pass downhill, also check any vector obstructions you would like to use. Typically, you'd want these to have a elevation or a height above ground. All right, so now we'll open the watershed tool found here. And to use our vector features in this analysis, you'll want to find the option to use vector features to modify flow. So I've included buildings, which again will act as obstructions since they have a height above ground. And also I have these culverts, those line features you saw, which will allow flow to follow that 3D line instead of the terrain grid. So cutting through the terrain grid, so to speak. My building heights are already interpreted as relative to ground, so I don't need to check this option. All right, going to run the tool now. And as we look at the results, we'll see now the flow passes around the buildings. So those are acting as obstructions. And the flow is following the culvert line features and going underneath the road. For more information on the watershed analysis tool, check out our website at bluemarblegeo.com. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our support team at geohelp@bluemarblegeo.com. Thanks for watching.